Blockchain Certification Training Course. Blockchain is a decentralized and transparent digital ledger that enables secure and immutable record-keeping of transactions. The fundamental concept of blockchain revolves around creating a decentralized network of computers, known as nodes, that work together to validate, record, and store transactions. Key principles of blockchain. Decentralization. Blockchain eliminates the need for a central authority, such as a bank or government, by distributing control among multiple participants in the network. Transparency. Every transaction recorded on the blockchain is visible to all participants in the network. Security. Blockchain utilizes cryptographic techniques to ensure the integrity and security of data. Importance of blockchain certification. Demonstrates expertise. Blockchain certification serves as tangible proof that an individual possesses a deep understanding of blockchain technology, its principles, and its applications. Competitive advantage. In a rapidly evolving job market, blockchain certification sets candidates apart from their peers. Industry recognition. Receiving a blockchain certification from a reputable certification provider brings industry recognition and credibility. Popular blockchain certifications. Certified Blockchain Developer, CBD, by Blockchain Training Alliance. The CBD certification is designed for developers who want to demonstrate their proficiency in developing blockchain applications. Certified Blockchain Professional, CBP, by EC Council. The CBP certification is offered by EC Council, a leading provider of cybersecurity certifications. Certified Blockchain Solution Architect, CBSA, by Blockchain Training Alliance. The CBSA certification focuses on blockchain architecture and design principles. Types of blockchain networks. Public blockchain. Public blockchains are open and permissionless networks that allow anyone to participate, read the data, and validate transactions. Private blockchain. Private blockchains are restricted to a specific group of participants who have been granted access and permission to participate in the network. Future trends in blockchain. Interoperability and cross-chain solutions. As different blockchain networks and platforms emerge, there is a growing need for interoperability between them. Scalability and performance enhancements. Scalability has been a significant challenge for blockchain networks, particularly for public blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Enterprise blockchain adoption. Blockchain technology is gaining traction among enterprises across various industries, including finance, supply chain, healthcare, and more. Conclusion. Blockchain technology continues to make significant strides and has the potential to revolutionize various industries and sectors. Interoperability and cross-chain solutions aim to connect different blockchain networks, fostering collaboration and expanding the possibilities of decentralized applications.